Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you on how to calculate the bond order of diatomic molecules. General calculation for bond order is bonding molecular orbital minus anti-bonding molecular orbital divided by 2. This is a general formula to calculate the bond order of any diatomic molecules. So the trick to calculate the bond orders is you have to know number of electrons in the diatomic molecule. These are the total number of electrons in the diatomic molecule and the bond order of the diatomic molecule. If it having 1 electron, then it is 0.5. If it having 2 electrons, then it is 1. 3 electrons 0.5, 4 electron 0, and here 1 to 8, these are the bond orders of the diatomic molecules. Okay, here 4 and 8 having 0 bond orders, and remaining bond orders are 7 having 0.5, 6 having 1, and 5 having 0.5. These are for the diatomic molecules having a total number of electrons are 1 to 8. If it having more than 8, that means 8 to 20. You look at the middle of 8 to 20, 14. If it having total number of electrons are 14, then its bond order are 3. By reducing 0.5 from this side and 0.5 from this side, we get the bond orders of these for the diatomic molecules. Now we look at the some problems which were used this trick to calculate the bond orders. Here hydrogen molecule H2. Here hydrogen having 1 electron and we have 2 hydrogen atoms, so total 2 electrons. These are the total of total electrons of hydrogen molecule. So look at the box. Here 2 electrons are there, so the bond order for hydrogen molecule is 1. If we look at the helium molecule, helium having 2 electrons and we have 2 helium atoms, so total 4 electrons. If you have 4 electrons, then bond order is 0. Now if you take out 1 electron from helium molecule, then it converted into helium 2 cation. So if you look at the helium 2 having 4 electrons, helium molecule having 4 electrons, if you take out 1 electron from helium molecule, then it having 3 electrons. If you have 3 electrons, then bond order is 0.5. okay, these are few examples, and few more examples are, look at these examples. If lithium molecule, if you have lithium molecule having 3 electrons, lithium atom having 3 electrons and total 2 lithium atoms and total of 6 electrons. If you have 6 electrons, then bond order, look at back side, 3 electrons, then bond order is 0.5. so bond order for lithium molecule is 6 electrons is there. So if you have 6 electrons, then bond order is 1. okay, if you take out 1 electron, then it converted into 5 electrons, then it having 0.5. now look at this also. Oxygen having 8 electrons and oxygen molecule having 16 electrons, so it is having a 2 this bond order is 2 for oxygen molecule. Look at the below box. Here here we got a total of 16 electrons, right? Here bond order for 16 electrons 2, so oxygen having 2 bond order. If you take out 2 electrons from oxygen molecule, then it having, if you add 2 electrons, then it having 18 electrons. If 18 electrons are there, the bond order for this molecule is 1. If you take out 1 electron from the oxygen molecule, add 1 electron from the oxygen molecule, then having 17 electrons. For 17 electron, bond order is 1.5. If you have a minus charge, then you can add the electron, one electron extra to that total electrons of that parent molecule. Okay, in this also O2 plus is there, that means you have to take out one electron from the molecule. O2 molecule having 16 electrons, you have to take one electron, 15 electrons. So 15 electrons are there, so its bond order is 2.5. Now we look at the NO. NO having here N having 7 electrons, oxygen having 8 electrons, total of 15 electrons. If you have 15 electrons, then bond order of 15 electrons is 2.5. Okay, so the bond order for NO molecule is 2.5. Okay, these are few examples. You can solve it easily if you know the values. This is another example. If you take out one electron from NO molecule, then here NO having 15 electrons, NO plus having 14 electrons. 14 electrons are there. This is the midpoint of the previous box. So here 14 electrons are there, so its bond order is 3. Okay, these are the few problems. If you know the bond order box and total number of electrons, then you can solve these problems easily. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel and follow for the future updates. Thank you.